Redis lets every key carry a built-in countdown timer. In this video, you will learn how to set those timers correctly, keep them refreshed, and avoid the classic mass expiry stampede that can take down a production cache. Without expiration, a cache grows until Redis evicts data unpredictably or runs out of memory. A TTL delegates cleanup to Redis itself, so your application never has to remember to delete stale data. On a cache hit, you call get and then immediately reset the TTL with expire. Those two steps must be atomic. If another process deletes the key between them, you will reset a TTL on a key that no longer exists, silently losing the refresh. Set with ex sets a TTL in seconds at write time. TTL reads the remaining seconds back. Expire refreshes it on a hit. PX and PTTL give millisecond precision. Persist cancels the timer. Use it carefully, or you leak memory. When reviewing a PR, check 4 things. Does every set carry a TTL? Is the TTL refresh atomic? Is jitter applied so thousands of keys do not expire at the same second? And is 0 ever passed to expire by accident? Set TTLs at write time, refresh them atomically on reads, and spread expiry with jitter. Those 3 habits keep your cache bounded, consistent, and your database safe from stampedes.